So we are going to use violet as a color. If you don't have a violet, you can mix a blue, that is cerulean blue, and crimson red, that is a pinkish red, together on a palette and make a violet. So violet and the indigo, that is the ultramarine blue, are the two shades I'm going to use for this particular painting. So first I'm going to paint the base of each flower white because they are a little pastel, milky looking violet in color. And after that I'm going to take a little bit of violet and paint the whole flower with a light violet shade, that gives a lilac shade. And now I'm dipping it into a thicker color and giving some strokes of violet. Thicker ones, darker ones I mean. And now I'm going to take ultramarine blue and give some more bands or strokes. I am leaving out some details in the flowers particularly so that we don't make it too time consuming. Also, we pick the most important details in the flowers and do that so that we do not miss out on the characteristics of the flower. So now I give a base color white and now I'm going to do violet, blending it lower with a more lighter shade, and the tips I'm making slightly more darker because that's how it is in the reference. Again, darker strokes of violet, and then I'm going to take the ultramarine blue and add some more lines